In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change Opera GX keyboard sound. It is very quickly and very easy. First of all, I will point out that this process works on any version of Opera GX, okay? The first thing you need to do is click at the top right corner on these three lines, okay? And click on Easy Setup. Then you will swipe down and click Go to Full Browse Settings on the last option. So click on top and you will swipe down again until you find Browse Sounds. Okay, right here below GX Lite, Browse Sounds, you click, and here you can see all browse sounds that Opera GX have. So you need to turn on this option and you will see on the first option, typing. Here you can change the typing sound, okay, just clicking on the set to, and here you can also change the sound of the typing, okay? You can also turn off and turn on this option. Now if you type on Opera GX, you will see that the sound changed, okay? I hope I helped you on how to change keyboard sound on Opera GX. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.